Harrison, look si Gretchen, no? I believe, of course, it's a very special moment for you. You're coming here, your presence here is a kind of response to God's calling. Gretchen, do you take Harrison here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Harrison, do you take Gretchen here present, your lawful wife, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Ang Diyos lang gyud ang makahatag og katumanan sa inyong mga maayong pangandoy alang sa inyong kaugmaon. That is why make it a unanimous decision on your part to really pray, especially attending the Mass every Sunday. Marriage is not only a kind of decision between man and woman, but marriage is a vocation, a sacred gift. It's coming from God. So it is a must for you to really make God as the center of your life. But most of all, do not forget to thank God. Again, wala mo'y mahimo kung dili mo tabangan sa Diyos.
I don't care if you wanna tear me apart. I don't care if you do. 'Cause in the sky